Hello friends, this is Leslie here from leslievoice.com. Welcome to the Job Seekers Mastery course. In this course, so far we have seen about the resume writing videos, and I have completed those videos for you. I hope you watched that and it was helpful for you. So if you haven't, please do watch that about the resume writing. And today in this video, I'm going to talk about the cover letter preparation. Most of the job seekers are so much confused on the cover letter preparation, right? Is that cover letter very important? Is the first question that job seekers have. And second, if yes, then how to prepare a cover letter? That's the doubt that most of the job seekers has in today's market. So let me answer you for these questions in this video. And if you have the same question, please do watch this video further. So cover letter is very important, and the purpose of cover letter is to bring the attention of the recruiter or the hiring manager towards your resume. Right? So the cover letter is used to show an interest on the job opportunity that the company has, so that people know that you are interested in certain job and what is your skills, etc. Right? So basically the cover letter is to bring the attention towards your resume. So to make your recruiter or the hiring manager to see your resume. So that is the purpose of your cover letter, right? So let's understand how to write this, how to write a cover letter, right? That's where we struggle. That's where we go and download some template, put the information, whatever we know, and then send the cover letter, which is not unique, which doesn't serve the purpose of using the cover letter. And the recruiter on the other side or the hiring manager on the other side understand it's just a copy paste, and they are least bothered to read that your cover letter. So your efforts goes waste. So I will not recommend you to copy or download a template and then put your information there and send it. Instead, I will recommend you to watch this video and understand how to prepare a cover letter. Okay? So in a cover letter, there are three parts. You can divide your cover letter content into three different parts. The first part is the first paragraph. Your first paragraph can be one-liner or a two-liner maximum, and it should talk about who you are and why you are writing this cover letter, right? So it should talk about who you are, and it should talk about why you are writing. What is the purpose of this cover letter? So the first question is who you are, can answer like this. I am Leslie, and with 5 years of experience in talent acquisition, right? That can be my introduction. So you can decide like what introduction you will give. If you are a Java developer, I am Ramu with 7 years of experience in Java development. So that's your first liner. Second, why you are writing. And I am writing this to express my interest towards the job opening for a Java developer. Okay, so that should be your first line. So your first line should basically tell about who you are and why you are writing it. The second paragraph is very important. The second paragraph should talk about why your recruiter or hiring manager should consider you for that particular role. It should talk about, so when I ask some job seekers, why should I hire you or why should I consider you for this job, they talk about their personal stories. That's not what you have to write in your cover letter. You should write about why you are qualified to apply for that job, right? So if it is a Java developer opportunity, then you can say that I have this many years of experience, I have experience in these technologies, I have worked on these important projects. So it can go up to maximum 2 or 3 lines. Don't go beyond that, because when you make it very big, people lose interest in reading it. You should make it crisp, and it should be very good content. I mean, when I say very good content, it should directly speak about who you are and what are the skills you have. Okay. So the first paragraph answers who you are and why you are writing the cover letter. The second paragraph writes why the recruiter or the hiring manager should consider you for that particular role. That's not where the cover letter ends. The third paragraph is also equally important to the second paragraph. The third paragraph should talk about the action, right? So always it's important, even in marketing they say call to action, right? So you should end with a call to action. What can be the action? Please let me know. You can reach me on this number or email ID. So you have to put your phone number or email ID where the recruiter can reach you to discuss further about the opportunity. So that's the format that you have to use to develop your cover letter. So I repeat once again for you. The first paragraph should talk about who you are and why you are writing. The second paragraph should talk about the skills that you have which makes you qualified to apply for the job. The third paragraph you should write about the call to action, your phone number or email ID, how the recruiter should contact you. So that's the way you write it. Now there is an interesting question that you might get. So should I put it in a Word document and attach it in the email and send, or how do I do it? That's the question, I know. So this is the question of most of the job seekers. So I would say don't put it in a Word document just like your resume. That is less effective. People don't open two documents and read through it. That's all gone are those days, right? So what you need to do is, in your email body, you have to put all the content what I told you right now and make your subject line very clear for which role you are applying and where which role. If you have the job ID, you can mention that as well, right? And put all this three paragraphs in your email body and then attach your resume and send it to the recruiter. So that's how you send a cover letter. So that's where people read it practically, right? So people may say that cover letter should be separately kept and attached in the email, but that will never help you. Okay? So just add it in the email body and put the right subject line, attach your resume and send. So this is how you write a cover letter. Hope you like this video. To continue watch this series of videos in Job Seekers Mastery course, please do subscribe and please do click on the bell next to subscribe button. And if you have any questions, please do comment to me so that I can answer you. Thank you.